See, it is nice. The natural water river in the North Sumatra. North of Sumatra is the water come from the earth. They also clean and clear and so beautiful. Look at that.
Jadi mak tadi mak masnya.
I show you is the one of the spot in North Sumatra of Indonesia. Look at that. That is natural water from the river, from the earth, from the spring. Look, Pak Gus, di sini mantas, di sini enak mandi, Gus. Look so beautiful. Situ, itu dalam tuh kayaknya. So look at that. That is nice of the. Woo, look, that is natural. I want to show you where the house they want to selling. Ah, here, nice. Look. Oh, yeah, wait. Want to make water boom. Woohoo, nice. It's natural, look. Oh my god, so beautiful. My ocean, okay. That is really nice, the water, look at that. Kolam ikan. Kolam ikan. Pas. Just for the weekend house. Wet ya, wet. Tunggu. Wet. Keren banget guys. Look so cool. Nah, ini baru dalam kali nih, nggak bisa nampak kok batas sama anak coba. Ah, lewat situ kita ada orangnya itu situ. Ini rumahnya itu. Itu rumahnya, ini yang warna hijau. Sudut. Foto masuknya, iya yuk. Biar nampak masuknya dari mana. Jadi di sinilah tanah dia, tempat dia nyuci ini. Ini namanya Karanganyar untuk di wilayah Sumatera Utara. Hah?